Hi, Prang. Talban chung dung tang kam nakata ni ko niyang ini namo. Hello, friends. Today let's see another job recruitment. Takem na getal pa mande ong inch mo ore na so ni channel ko subscribe ka idon at pa mo. Jera ko lang ni kam nakata ni rang ko video tari upload ka ingon na song somai gita video rang ko man su emeng na somai dong ko ing mutungon na song kamrang na apply ka rek na man nakata mo. Last date rang naskang. If you never want to miss job notifications, do subscribe my channel. And COLKS Meghalaya recruitment 2023 omo check latest vacancy yang kunya ini mo COLKS Meghalaya recruitment 2023 a center of learning knowledge and service Meghalaya invites applications for the below mentioned job vacancies. The last date for submissions of the applications is 30 December 2023. The COLKS last date of submissions application is 30 December 2023. Let's see the post number. Post rang kunya ini na post name. Forward linkage officer, number of post 2, location Meghalaya. Essential qualifications rong job MBA in agribusiness or marketing. Previous experience in a similar role within the industry is a plus mo. Nara MBA ong nanangye mo una prani ka dangarang job MBA in agribusiness takabarang jodi marketing MBA takabong nanangye mo. Ya maba ya post na mo forward linkage officer na mo post digi gini tunga una mo. Number 2 post are district coordinator. Number 2 post district coordinator. Number of post 2 job location Meghalaya. Essential qualifications, a graduate in any disciplines, bachelor degree holder must have 2+ years of experience and master degree holder must have 1+ years of experience. Previous experience in a similar role within the district or community development sector is a plus mo. Graduate ong nanangye mo J discipline ba J stream ba graduation ong nanangye mo ya may banara district coordinator nara only graduate ko sa namay mo for any ganang qualification only graduation J stream ni bong aigen mo. Nakam na the bachelor's degree takubare those who hold the bachelor's degree they must have 2 years plus experience. But those who have master degree holders, they must have 1+ years experience mo. Busong belisisa plus sen experience ong nanay master degree rakabrang din ba bachelor's degree din belisini plus experience ong nanay mo. Previous experience in a similar role within the district or community development sector is a plus mo. Gacham experience mo batang gaban may barang experience tunggu bang on the district or community development experience on the ko ba chan dapat ganyan mo. Yan experience ng mo ya may bani ya job profile ni kita experience ng gisa ya experience in ya may ba yes ya job profile in similar role kun absan nakba role rang kon kam ya absan nakba kam rang kon khai mga district wise ba community area o khai mga tung experience man dong ba ko ba plus kata bagen ko chanda bagen mo. Number 3 post are central supervisor mo. Number of posts 6. Job locations Meghalaya. Essential qualifications a graduate in any discipline mo. Graduation aya. Bachelor's degree holder must have 2+ years experience and master degree holder must have 1+ years experience mo. Graduate or 2+ experience, 1+ experience mo. Number 1. Previous experience in a center supervisory role is a plus mo. Center supervisory role batang kaman sarang experience nung ako ko ba chanda maigin mo. Number 4 post mushroom grower trainer. Number of post 2 the job location Khasi Hills 1 Garo Hills 1. Essential qualifications must have 2+ years of work experience in mushroom cultivations mo. The qualifications de bisong de may ba jeng mo. Pura ni kadang ko de experience ko sana mainga mushroom cultivation so experience ko sana mainga jerangan home science rango ba ndigi may ba agriculture may ba department rango ndigi contract basis ba master role kirang khai mungna ti mushroom mai barang ge gamani ro dambong rangko pengani ge gamani ro experience tong ora asule gali ni bu chance mo asule porani gadang ko dam jenga unera relevant certifications in mushroom cultivations ya mushroom cultivations ni certification ba certified ungman ba certificate ungman ungna na yin mo number 5 food processing trainer mo number of post 2 job locations se Khasi Hills 1 Garo Hills 1 na qualifications rong job porani gadang degree in food processing 1+ years of relevant work experience in food processing mo una one degree in food processing or degree ako bong na mo 1+ years ya absent my pilon experience ng bong na mo food processing work ko experience ng bong na mo soap maker trainer mo soap maker trainer ang nanunga yan sabon tari ni mo number of post 2 Khasi Hills 1 Garo Hills 1 qualifications bachelor's degree in a relevant field with 2+ years of experience mo kuna bachelor's degree na ya relevant field ya field soap maker pa di sabon tari nang ni may ba ka barango bachelor's degree ka ba nung na mo bising ni experience paksa formal training or certifications in soap making is a plus mo tao mijam mang batang ban sarang na training rai mga certification rang matni dongi ba may bakki dongi mo ni experience ra bulsi sarangan gap ku jenga certificate matnaw ni ba experience certificate matnaw ni gap ku jenga sim di ba ugo ba chanai gena bo ngai gena mo ugo chabu ngai gena mo assorted chocolate maker number 7 post number of post 2 Khasi Hills 1 Garo Hills 1 essential qualifications 2+ years of extensive experience hands-on experience in chocolate making preferably in artisanal or small batch productions proven teaching or training experience in culinary arts or chocolate craftsmanship certifications in chocolate making pastry arts or related disciplines mo ya gadang ko nang porani gadang ko mo ayo ma shet pulja jok ang yang ni porai chingao ni dausa nak parang kamrang ko din kaban ki nagem na ade yani gemende na men yadi wija joka mai ka ba degree ang nak play mai ka barang dong plamo tang de pusi khuruk patli porai ba rang ko din kan nak chew yan wija piggery training instructor mo number 8 piggery training instructor number of post 4 Garo Hills 2 Khasi Hills 2 piggery training instructor mo wak jila khani gaman instructor na ira qualification ara must be a doctor of veterinary doctor ngobarang nangen mo qualifications se 2+ years of extensive practical experience in piggery practical dakke ke experience ong bagaman dakke ni experience ong bagaman ong nangen mo ya piggery management no including breeding nutrition health and facility management mo ya wak breeding kani bicarang ko chetani baretani lakarango experience ong ba nutrition suni nutrition health rang mo nutrition aro health rang ni una bena namgani rang ko takani rang wak una mai rakke mai rakba chani rang ko nananga mai rakba mai rakke nananga warang ko experience ong ba aro ni health rang ko ni rokna chang ba aro facility management ya rang wagin mo number 9 post poultry training instructor na mo heba jila khan yan poultry mai baba mo number of post 4 Garo Hills 2 Khasi Hills 2 qualifications though must be a doctor of veterinary medicine jabu veterinary doctor ong na mo option as number 8 number 10 post tailoring tailoring de me chikrang na mo me chikrang na mane na ba dong me sana ba me chikrang ba de ba me chikrang chungore chikrang de bang batta tailoring mo noktang tangon machine dongi ba sabrang de tailoring nap ko barang ba dong bang preta mo barang chance apreti ni ba jok number of post 2 West Khasi Hills 1 Southwest Khasi Hills 1 mo essential qualifications formal training or certifications in tailoring or fashion designs mo gira sir tailoring rang certificate mani dong barano na mo aro experience 2+ years mo job type de contractual chong mo regular basis chong ku jong contractual basis chong mo salary it will be based on experience in the required field mo nakni salary de nakni experience ni krisong ayen mo nang ya nakni kam kalat ko pa na baita na kang experience ong ni kita sa bisong decide ka isan tigre memang na sa bisong nakna salary ko appointment letter type ka chapyo na ayen mo how to apply for COLCS KS mo Langsung apply kana de ya nona bisoni onso ko mani Gmail dongaba mo ya nona nasuni biodata ko ba resume ko tarimengna langsung send katebo mo ya bisoni email ona mo nasuni resume ko tarimna biodata tapke tarimna skang panangni bimeng nangni ace nangni song nang manang pani bimeng nangni aciani tarikrang ulsirang nangni porani gadang nangni experience aro nangni hobbies cakabarangko aro nangni maiba nakarangko hobbies aro sports rang halam gamai nakarangko kapatim na gamuk takarangko porani gadangko chukmuko biodata ke tarimengna send kat payano namo. The last date for submissions of the applications is 30 December 2022 mo 30 December 2022 mo ya applicants rang yes kang pa yako boni nami porani bo talbate yang ni akan natan baksa talbate number 2 winners ko mo nakam na de ang ayalin ko natkin mo nasong nami porani naman ngin mo apply ka token ibo je rangan gisko nang yesem aro sabarang ni mai banik ni kanirang dong mai sig janirang dong ore ang ni description ang ni WhatsApp number ko natia nasong WhatsApp kita ang chi skatamat genik ni kanirang homo anak suna mai ke apply kana nang video ko le thari naman jainga ha so mai jak jakja prung nian sing inang genang anong katang na nangaya tham mai bar jokno rang dewan tingai jok kam jak jak chapja mo so mai jak jak chapja nakemna ukon ma nakaya yanan video tharikin ma mana suna online apply yani kon tharikin ma nakemna tharina man jaha ni gumon ani WhatsApp number ko description ni do nainga nakemna de online maike online kana nanga tharina nang gija nasuna nga ma sitil jaude sengat ko panade akane ona tagin okmo